Hello, Pokemaster2331 here today, and as you can see, it's raining, and I'm going to be trying to do a Beyblade battle in the rain. I just need to try and position the umbrella. Don't know, I need so you can see, but so my camera don't get too wet. Right, if I launch the bays will be Storm Aquario and Grand Cetus. Right, I'm going to have to put the umbrella down to launch the bays real quick. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Is water themed bays battle in the wet. I wish I had more waterproof camera, but it broke. I'm only going to do a few rounds. Right, Storm Aquario is almost won. I might be able to do this. Right, round 2. Right, I need to get this done quickly. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! What? This is the final round, so I'm going to get my camera too wet. See the way the bays draw the water near their tips and drag it. It's quite cool. Looks like Cetus is going to go down, but Aquario could still lose. It depends on the water. And the Aquario's the winner. Oh. Right, Pokemaster 2331 out.